All right, what's going on, folks? Mark, Dlux Motorsports. Today we got a beautiful 2014 Acura MDX. This is a vehicle we just traded in about 3-4 days ago. So if you're watching via our YouTube channel, if you haven't subscribed, click right there in the bottom right corner, click that subscribe button. Give you a chance to see some of these videos that we make for these vehicles. If you're out of state, this is a good way to be able to know exactly what a vehicle looks like, to be confident to purchase this thing out of state. Again, 2014 Acura MDX has 101,000 miles. This is a true one-owner Virginia truck. Absolutely well-maintained, zero rust, no mechanical issues. It is a pleasure to drive. I got to drive the truck for about a week. I enjoyed it with my family. Just came fresh out of detail, so the interior is in immaculate condition. The couple that owned the vehicle were a little older, so they didn't have any small kids, more or less older teenagers. So as you can see, interior is immaculate. Factory navigation, tires are in really good shape. It's got a nice set of Continentals on it. I'd say at least 3/4 of tread. The paint, it's not sunny right now, so it's probably harder to see, but it's finished off in pearl white. You got one little small nick right there. We're gonna put some touch up in it. You probably won't even notice it if you actually came to see the vehicle in person, but see the carpets are super clean. It's got rear heat controls. It is a third seat, so it does have the third seat in the back. One's folded down right now. Driver's side seat's in excellent shape. Obviously power heated, but the leather's in beautiful condition. The interior overall is in very nice condition. Full factory floor mats. And this is the MDX with the tech package. A few small rock chips here and there, nothing dramatic. I have to get kind of close. There's one right there, small one right there, but overall, as you can see on the body, no big damage, no big dings, no big dents, no big scratches. Overall, the car is in close to immaculate shape, but this is as nice as they get for just a one-owner SUV with 100,000 miles. This thing's been, like I said, it's been maintained meticulously. We have tons of service records on the car. And this is a local Virginia truck, so zero rust underneath, zero rust on the body. So again, this is Mark, Dlux Motorsports. If you're interested, give us a call, 540-898-1300. You can follow us on our website at www.dlux-motorsports.com. Check out our Instagram page at Dlux_motorsports. Then again, if you haven't subscribed, right there in the bottom right corner, you click that subscribe button, turn on bell notifications, and it'll give you a chance to be able to see the vehicles we produce when we first do the videos. We're typically a normal daily lifted truck dealer is what we typically sell, but occasionally we'll get in very nice vehicles like this on trade-in, and we love to offer these to the public at a really good price so they sell quick before we end up sending them to the auction. So anyway, if you're in the market, give us a call. Till then, we'll see you.